Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how we can change a thumbnail of our YouTube video. So let's begin. On the right top here I'll click on the profile picture, and then from here I'll click on YouTube Studio. So once the channel dashboard is there for our YouTube channel, on the left side here I'll click on content, and here is the list of the videos I have on my YouTube channel. So I want to change a thumbnail of this video, so I'll place the pointer here, and then the first option here, the details, I'll click on this. Now on this page, this is the area about the thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail of my YouTube video. I want to change it, so I'll click on this option here, these three dots. I'll click on this, and then I click change. And I have some thumbnails here, and as you can see, the standard size for YouTube videos thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels. So I will select my thumbnail for the video, and then I click open, and so simple. You see the thumbnail is updated here for my YouTube video. The previous thumbnail is here on the left side, as you can see, and the new thumbnail is here. Just I have to click save so that the changes can take effect. There you go, changes are saved, and now I have a new thumbnail for my YouTube video. I'll go back here, and now in the list you will see that it has been updated. This is the video, so it has been updated. The thumbnail has been replaced. So it's very simple. So keep watching more videos on me on my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.